The AUTOOL Power Circuit Probe Tester is a versatile tool designed to test various electrical components in vehicles, ranging from voltage and polarity to continuity and signal circuits. One of its standout features includes 4 adjustable modes that allow it to detect the maximum and minimum voltage, supply frequency, duty cycle, and the voltage value of the circuit under test. The tester also has the ability to quickly test the operation of diode assemblies and determine their conductivity. The tester is suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, boats, trailers, and motorhomes, and can power components such as radiator fans, starter motors, relays, and windshield wipers. The built-in LED light and audible tone make it easy to operate even in dark areas, while the provided 4.9 feet of electrical wire adds to its convenience. The AUTOOL Power Circuit Probe Tester is also designed with a circuit overload protection feature, which disconnects the protection circuit in case of overload, enhancing the safety and durability of the product.